Hi children, how are you? A very fresh morning to all of you. Hope so you all are doing well at home. Okay, see, we have already learned about the structure of function. Today we will learn some of the built-in function. Okay, we will learn built-in function. Built-in function. There are many built-in function in Excel. So we will learn some of the few built-in function of Excel. So let us learn. The first one is sum. See, whenever we are doing any writing any formula, okay, we are writing the full equation. Suppose we want to add from cell 1 to cell 5. So what we are writing? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. Then we are closing the bracket, then press enter. But instead of that, if we will write sum, that means it will add the cell A1 up to A5 because already it is in built-in function. So it will calculate, it will add the range of the cell. So instead of writing all the things at a time, we can only give equal to sum bracket A is to A5. See, suppose let us take this one. This is an Excel sheet, okay? Intersection of rows and columns. Suppose columns are given as A, B, C, D, E, and rows you already know it is named as number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now suppose I am writing here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, or let it be here 20. Now I want to add from A1 to A4. So before I used to write the formula what? I want to add from A1 to A4. So I was writing the formula what? For writing any formula, first is equal to, then I used to write here A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Then press enter. Then the answer used to come 50. Okay. But instead of that, instead of writing this long process, because it is a function, so I can write in short, that is equal to sum bracket A1. A1 is to A4. Press enter and the answer will display. Okay, this is what the built-in function will do, the addition of, it will take all the range of the cell. Suppose in the cell 5, if nothing is there, if there is no value, okay, if there is no value and you have to add from A1 is to A5. So you are writing sum A1 is to A5. Again the answer will come 50. Here also the answer will come 50. Because if there is blank cell, that means it will give you the 0. The value is 0. Getting my point? And suppose, for example, if here it is written tell as computer, let it be some computer, some text is written, and you want to add from A1 to A6. The text what it is written, it will not do the calculation. Text value, I already told you, it will not do any type of calculation. So this is what about built-in function. Sorry, built. Built-in function about sum. Second one is, let us take average. Average. Already in Excel, there is one built-in function, that is average. Now, I want to take out the average of this thing. So, instead of writing the formula, that is to add the total number of cells divided by the number of cells, you will get the average. So, I used to write A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells. Instead of writing the whole formula, simply you can write equal to average. Okay. AVE also short form you can write average. Then if I want to do, that is A1 is to A4. Then it will automatically add all the number by the total number of cells. Then it will do 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 cells. Okay. So, you will get the average. You should not write, suppose if you are writing A1 is to A4 and more one cell is there. Suppose if you want to bring this cell, 6 cells, and suppose here 10 is there. So, you can write and A6. Then it will calculate the average. It will add all the sum plus divided by the total number of cells. Then you will automatically, the calculation of average will be done. In average also the same thing. If any blank cell is there, then it will not take. It will give the result as 0. Blank cell, it will give the value 0. And if text is written, then it will not do any calculation of text value. Now come to the next. Suppose more one built-in function is maximum. Now from here, suppose there 80 is there. I want to find out from this column which is the maximum number. Okay, which is the maximum number. From this you can know 80 is the maximum number. Suppose there will be lot of numbers. Okay, it's displayed in the cell and you want to find out which is the maximum number. So in that case, you can use this built function equal to max. You can write down max. Then A1 is to A6. Then press enter. And what it will do? It will display you which is the maximum. From here, which is the maximum? 80. Then you will get the answer 80. Okay. Same case, if you write minimum. Okay. If you write more one, that is minimum. And suppose here, let this one be 5. So, you can write the function as equal to minimum A1 is to A6. A1 is to A6. Press enter and what is the minimum? That is 5. Then you will get the answer. 5 is the minimum. This is what built-in function. In Excel, we have already some built-in function which will do the calculation automatically. You should not write the formula for multiplication, addition, subtraction. Only if you write here subtraction, then you write down the range of cell address, it will do the subtraction. You write average, it will calculate the average. If you write percentage, it will calculate the percentage. And remember, blank cell will not give any value. It will consider as 0. And if any text is written, then it will not do any calculation. So, these are some of the built-in function in Excel. Blank cell will always return the value 0. And text value cannot be added to a number and will lead an error. If there is a text value, then it will not do any calculation. It will lead you an error. So student, hope so you might have understood What is the built-in function? Sum. The built-in function, what is sum? This function helps to add up to the value of cell that are listed in range. If you write sum, it will help you to add the number that listed of cell. What all number is written, it will help you to add. From which range to which range if you want to add. Average. This function helps to calculate the average of cell, the value that are listed in the cell range. That is equal to average then cell range. What I have written, suppose A1 is to A4 and A6. So it will calculate the cell of range. It will do the average. Maximum. This function enables us to find the maximum value given in a set of value. From all the list of value, it will give us, which is the maximum value it will provide us. Minimum. This function allows us to find the minimum value from a set of value. Minimum also, it will help us to provide the minimum value from the set of value. There will be lots of value will be written here, and if you want to find out the minimum value, then you can give this built-in function. Okay, so these are the types of function which can be used in formulas in Excel. You please read your textbook one by one, the line, where if you are getting any doubt, let me know in my online class. I will clear all of your doubts, and you try to practice this. And if you have computer at your home, please you in Excel sheet by yourself put some numbers and try to find out how the average calculation is becoming, how multiplication, subtraction. By yourself you write some cost price, selling price, and find out the profits, and you try to do. In the next class, how to find the sum, average, minimum, that all things from the auto sum value, I will let you know in Excel how to do. Okay, and please read, don't waste your time, and you write all the lesson, what all things, question answer I have given you. Thank you children for listening to my online class. All of you take care, be safe at home, always be smiling, okay, and try to drink lot of water and keep your health fit and fine. Bye, have a nice day.